All right. And are you in fact Mr. Joseph Lee?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Lee, we are about to start your preliminary hearing. This is State of Georgia versus Joseph Oliver Lee, charged in warrant number
Your Honor,
2020.
if we could hold on 1 second, I think Mr. Lewis is gone. There he is.
Mr. Lewis, you ready? Yeah, I think we lost him for a moment. Stand by.
You able to see me now, Judge?
We can hear you. We can't see you.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. So my video isn't stopped, but and I can see my video. I can see myself, but what does that mean, right?
Right. We definitely can't see.
Okay. Hang on. When you can see me, Judge.
Your Honor, at this point, I can hear Mr. Lewis. I know his voice. I don't have an objection. Oh, there he is. To proceed without seeing him.
All right, there we are. All righty.
You can see me now?
Yes, I can see you now. So let me go back.
Okay.
All right. Again, this is State of Georgia versus Joseph Lee, charged in warrant number 2025 WA 52738, aggravated assault by strangulation, 2025 WA 52739, battery family violence, representing the state as ADA Thomas, representing the defendant is Attorney Lewis. Your witness, ADA Thomas.
Thank you, Your Honor. Officer, could you please raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear and affirm that the evidence you should give before the court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I swear.
State your name for the record.
My name is Officer Gautier with Clayton County Police Department.
And officer, were you so employed on or about, excuse me, June the 6th of 2025?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you have occasion to respond to an incident at 559 Autumn Drive?
Yes, ma'am.
Was that the city of Riverdale, Clayton County?
Yes, ma'am.
ADA Thomas.
Yes.
I missed everything you just said. I
Oh
lost.
my goodness.
You were
I'm
not
sorry.
there?
I am so sorry. I was not there. No, ma'am. But start over. If you start, can you hear?
Well, you're gone now. And I believe counsel is gone. It's back. Mr. Lewis?
Give me just a second. I'm moving somewhere else. I just want to make sure we got some good signal here.
Your Honor, may I ask Ms. Coleman something while Mr. Lewis is getting situated?
Yes.
It seemed like when Mr. Lewis drops off, she was dropping off too. Is that correct?
Actually, mine just paused for a second because I thought it was just me, but then he dropped off also. It was just for a second. It kind of like paused.
Yeah, but it happened the last time he dropped off, you went with him?
Oh, no.
Oh, Lord. So this is the system, not just Mr. Lewis. Okay.
Are you going to start
I don't
over?
know what y'all said, but whatever. We can start. If you can see me, we can start right now.
Okay, but just for clarity or what have you. I was just asking Ms. Coleman, was she dropping off too? Because it seemed like when you drop, she would drop. And it did it twice. So I think it might not just be you. It might be something in the system, okay?
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
But it was mostly you.
All right. That's fine.
Okay.
If you
Officer,
can see me, we can go.
I can see you. Officer,
Okay.
you've been previously sworn. Did you have occasion to respond to an incident on June the 6th of 2025?
Yes, ma'am.
And was that incident at 559 Autumn Drive,
Yes, ma'am.
City of Riverdale, Clayton County?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, did your investigation involve a Joseph Oliver Lee?
Yes, ma'am.
And could you explain to the court how you came to investigate Mr. Lee?
Yes, ma'am. So I was dispatched to a call in reference to a domestic disturbance at that location. And on my arrival, I made contact with both Renetta Lee, which was later identified as his mom, and Joseph Lee.
And what did Miss Renetta Lee the victim in this matter?
Yes, ma'am.
What did she advise happened between herself and Joseph Lee?
Miss Renetta had advised that her and Joseph had gotten into an argument about him wanting her to leave the home at the time, in which she said that she wasn't going to be leaving. She said that Joseph eventually pushed her onto the ground and struck her in the face, closed fist, and began to strangle her on the ground as well. She said that she eventually started pulling onto his hair hard enough until he got up off of her, and that was when she essentially went and called 911.
Now, whose residence is it?
To my understanding, I believe they both lived in the same residence. I believe it was Joseph, and she was staying with him.
Okay.
But I know that they both were staying in the same household at that time.
Okay. Were you able to see any injury to Ms. Lee?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Did you observe any physical injury to Ms. Lee?
Yes, ma'am. I did see that she had a swollen or a busted lip. She had some markings on her neck area and scratches as well.
And was she able to indicate to you who caused the injuries you just described?
Yes, ma'am. She mentioned that it was Joseph who did those things.
And were you able to take any type of pictures or video of her injuries?
Yes, ma'am. And I attached it as well.
I
was able to take photos, and I attached it to my report as well.
What about video? Were you equipped with body cam?
Yes, ma'am.
Did that capture your conversation with Ms. Lee?
It did capture, I believe it did capture the body. It did capture the conversation because of the height and the level of the body cam on my vest. I'm not too sure if it would actually be able to capture her face area, being that it would be around maybe like chest or breast area for her if we're standing in front of each other.
She's taller than you.
Yeah, she was about the same height, if not a little bit shorter than me.
Okay.
But like I was saying, because of the placement of the body cam, from my experience of just rewatching my own footage, it's not always very clear to see certain markings like that via body cam because of how low the angle is.
But you did get photographs of the injury specifically?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know if there's any type of ring camera or record the incident in any way?
No, ma'am. I believe the incident took place inside the home.
Okay. And they didn't have cameras inside the home?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, were you able to speak to the defendant, Joseph Lee?
Yes, ma'am, I was.
And did you get his side of what happened?
Yes, Joseph had stated that He stated that he was expecting to have company come over, um, a female company, and he had wanted his mom to leave the home privacy. Um, she
I couldn't.
denied. Sorry, go ahead.
Your voice dropped just a little bit. You said I heard the part where you said he wanted her to leave the home, and then you said something else, and that dropped.
Yeah, so he wanted her. He was expecting to have female company come over, and so he asked his mother to leave. Renetta. He asked Renetta to leave, in which she said she didn't want to leave. He said that they never got physical or anything like that. They just kind of got into a verbal argument, um, and so he said that. Well, to answer your question, yes, I was able to speak with him, and that is what pretty much what he was advising. I'll wait for your next question.
Did he ever indicate whether or not there was a physical altercation between himself and his mother?
No, ma'am. He did mention that he did mention that they did not have that they never got physical. That everything was just a verbal altercation between the two of them.
Did he have any type of explanation for how she had the physical injuries that you observed?
No, ma'am. He says that that she does drink, and so those markings could have came from pretty much anywhere.
Did you see markings around her neck?
Yes, ma'am.
Were they consistent with her having told you that she had been strangled?
Yes, ma'am. I saw scratches, and you can see faint like handprints around her neck area.
And I believe you said that she had some type of injury to her eye. Is that correct?
No, it was to her lip.
Her lip. She had a busted lip.
Yeah, swollen, busted lip.
Did she indicate how that busted lip was caused?
Yes, from her being punched in the face when she stated that Joseph had pushed her to the ground and got on top of her.
Okay. Did you see anything about the home? Did it appear to be disheveled or anything in any type of way, or disturbed in any type of way?
Personally, I did not actually go inside the home. There were other officers on scene with me at the time.
Okay.
I never actually set foot inside the home to see what was taking place or what, any type of signs of a struggle or anything like that.
You indicated other officers were present on the scene?
Yes, ma'am.
Did they go in the home or any of them go in the home?
To my understanding, I can't recall if they did or not.
If they did, would they have been equipped with body cam?
If they did, they would have been equipped with body cam. Yes, ma'am.
And would their video be attached to the report?
I can't really speak for what other officers would do. It's best practice for other officers on scene that were involved to always do a supplemental. But I do know that the way our policy is when it comes to body cam footage, we do have to save all body cam footages with the case number attached to it. So that would be a way to retrieve that if needed.
Okay. And I believe you previously testified there's no Ring camera or anything else outside.
No, ma'am, not that I seen.
Was there anyone else in the home that might have observed the altercation between the two of them?
No, ma'am, it was just them two.
Okay. I believe that's all I have. Oh, one more thing. You indicated that Mr. Lee was in fact still on the scene. You spoke with him, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
The person that you spoke with that day, do you see them present in court today?
Yes, ma'am.
Could you identify him by physical appearance or article of clothing?
Yes, ma'am. He's the gentleman here with the long dreads and the orange jumpsuit.
Thank you. I believe that's all I have. Reserved right for redirect.
All righty, go ahead, Attorney Lewis.
Thank you. Good afternoon, officer.
Afternoon, sir.
Spell your last name for me, please.
I'm sorry. Can you repeat that?
Absolutely. Spell your last name for me, please.
Last name is going to be spelled Gauthier, pronounced Gautier.
Gautier. Very good. Officer Gautier, your response to this location was because of a call out. Is that correct?
The beginning.
Your dispatcher sent you to this location?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
All right, good. And who was the caller, sir?
I believe it was, I'm not too sure. I believe it was a female
Okay.
caller from
Don't,
Renetta though.
don't guess. So you don't know if it was Renetta, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Um, during this testimony that you've given with Madam Prosecutor asking you questions, you've interjected a lot of I believe. And so I'm going to go back through this I believe testimony of yours. Does Renetta reside at that location? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
When Mr. Lee said that he was trying to eject her from the home because he had female company coming over, did you ask a follow-up question?
I'm sorry, you cut out.
Yes. When Mr. Lee said that he was ejecting her from the home because he had follow-up, had female company coming over, did you ask him any follow-up question?
I just, at that time when he told me that, I was asking him to explain to me what was going on. So
Yes.
once he just continued on with his side of the story.
So you did not ask him to explain why he was ejecting another resident from the home. Is that correct?
Well, yeah, so he did say that he did say that he just wanted some privacy. So that's why he wanted Miss Renetta to leave the home.
Did he tell you that Miss Renetta resided at that home? Officer Gutierrez, you may have not heard me. Let me ask the question again. Did he tell you that Miss Renetta resided at that home?
At this time, I can't recall exactly what he said.
So the answer is I don't recall.
Yes, sir.
All right. Did Miss Renetta tell you that she resided at the home?
Yes, sir.
She told you that she lived at that address.
Yes, sir. I believe so.
Do you know what she said, or are you just speculating based upon whatever?
Based on the conversations that we had, she did say that it was giving signs that they both were residing in the same home together.
It was giving signs, meaning her statements were giving signs that she resided there.
Yes, sir.
So she was not an intruder to that home. Is that correct?
No, sir. She was not.
Is this an apartment or a private home?
It was a private home.
Mm-hmm. Was it a rental property or an ownership property, sir?
I'm not too sure on that.
Okay. I heard you to say that you did not go into the home. Is that a correct statement?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did any officers go into the home?
Again, not to my knowledge, I don't recall if any officers went inside, but if they were, then they would have had body cam footage of them being inside the home.
Hold it. So that's a yes, you don't know that anyone went into the home?
Not sure if the officers went inside the home.
Okay, thank you. All right, which officers assisted you with this call, sir?
I believe it was going to be Officer Thomas, Savimbi Thomas.
It was Officer Thomas?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And
Any other officer?
there was an additional officer, but I cannot recall who exactly it was at that time.
Understood. Prior to coming, well, let me ask a question. How long ago were you notified of your being called to testify on today?
I believe I was here sometime last month and it became continuance. So
Understood.
Yeah.
So from the time when you first received notice to appear in court until now, did you have an opportunity to look at your body cam?
I'm sorry, can you say it again? Did I have opportunity to do what, sir?
Yes, sir. From the time that you were told that you needed to testify today, did you take advantage of the opportunity to look at your own body cam?
Not to look at my body cam, sir, but I was able to.
How about any still
Wait a
pictures?
minute, Attorney Lewis, let him finish.
Finish
I,
what, Judge? He answered my question. He
No,
didn't
he
get a
No, he
wait,
chance to look at
wasn't
his body
finished.
no,
cam.
Attorney Lewis, he answered it, but he was elaborating and he can do that. So
He
answer
was
the,
so he was going to testify about something else, Judge.
No, he was explaining his answer, Mr. Lewis.
and he can do
Oh,
that.
I'm sorry.
So
Go ahead.
go ahead, officer.
So to go back, I wasn't able to relook at any of my body cam footage from that incident, but I did go over the report and look over the attachments of the photos that I took on that day.
All right. All right, go ahead, counsel.
So you did not look at your body cam. Did I hear you correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you look at the body camera of any other officers that were on scene?
Did I look at their body cameras?
Yes, sir.
No, sir, I did not.
Okay. You said that you saw scratches on the woman's neck. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Did the woman tell you that those scratches were put there by the person you arrested?
Yes, sir.
When did she say those scratches were put there?
Prior to us showing up to the scene.
On that day?
Yes, sir.
Was the woman inebriated?
No, sir.
So you did not detect the influence of alcohol at all?
No, sir.
Okay. Did the woman tell you that she had passed out or become unconscious?
No, sir, she did not.
Did she tell you that she had difficulty breathing?
Yes, sir, she did say that while he was choking her.
And
Go ahead.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
She did say that while he was choking her, that she did feel as though she was losing breath and possibly losing conscious as well.
Okay. Did she tell you that he was choking her when putting her out of the residence?
No, she stated that he was choking her while being on top of her after pushing her to the ground inside of the residence.
Okay, so he was choking her, pushing her inside the residence?
He had pushed her to the ground inside of the, from what she told me, her testimony was that Mr. Lee to the ground, got on top of her, took her in the face, and began choking her.
While inside the residence?
While inside the residence. At that time, she pulled onto his hair long enough, hard enough until he was able to get up off of her.
Okay. And then what did she say happened?
And then she said that he got up off of her, and she got up and proceeded to call 911.
She left the residence?
She didn't specify if she left. She said that once he got off of her, she went and called 911.
Did you find her inside the residence or outside when you arrived?
When we arrived to the scene, she was outside of the residence.
So you and the other officer arrived together?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. And was she at the residence or elsewhere?
She was at the residence standing outside.
She was standing outside.
Yeah,
was the person you arrested outside the residence?
Yes. Oof. That I believe he was. If not, then he did come out on our arrival. I'm not sure I don't remember if he was actually standing outside with her.
Did you summon him out, or he was already, or he just voluntarily came out?
I did not summon him out, which is why I'm not sure if he was already inside or outside, because I would have remembered giving out those commands for him to step out.
Okay, understood. Was there any other event or that coincided with this particular call out that you want to tell the court about?
Because of my understanding.
I'm sorry, you became Megatron here for me. Say it again.
Can you elaborate more on that question?
Yes. Is there something else you want Judge Cates Johnson to know about this call out?
Yeah, I'm gonna object to this particular question. Your Honor, a specific question regarding the incident itself is
I
permissible.
agree. Attorney Lewis, please ask specific questions.
I thought that was pretty specific, Judge. All right. So officer, thank you for your time.
No problem. Thank you.
All right, any redirect?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
All right, closing arguments.
I
Judge,
was-
let me talk with my client before I do that.
All right. You can both just join room 2.
Thank you. Judge.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, good. All
Okay.
right. Defense. And we
Wait a
rest
minute.
on the
Hold on. You
testimony.
hold on. Attorney Lewis, you're going in and out. Start over.
Defense has no witnesses to call,
Okay. All right.
and we have no argument to
Okay.
offer.
All right. So based upon the evidence presented, I do find there is sufficient probable cause to bind both charges over to the Superior Court, Clayton County. That's the order of the court. And
Thank you.
And then I
And
had a
that concludes
couple of,
my business before you.
yes, but hold on, because I need to make sure I'm notating. What was the reason for continuance on Callaway?
Officer. Officer, you excuse.
That was the state's request.
Okay. Thank you. You guys have a great rest of your day.
Thank you, officer.
Your
So-
Honor, we're still on YouTube.
Oh, okay, thank you.